Hi buddy, this is Edutech. Well, after a couple of tutorials about the TV repairing, I thought that I will upload different kind of videos in repairing electronic gadgets. Today I'm going to show you it's kind of a different thing actually. I would say that the safety box. I got a safety boxes, few safety boxes which has a problem, the common problem. The mechanism is not working, it's not locking or it's not unlocking. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that issue and describing about the safety boxes. Actually in Dubai it's really important to have a safety box inside where I'm working in Dubai airport. It's really important to have a safety box because the passengers whoever are transiting through here in airport, they have really valuable things to storage. So therefore we have different kind of safety boxes, but here we are using the electronic opening system safety boxes, but we do have another one called analog system, and we are using the digital one called CISA. The brand name is CISA Safety Boxes. So talking about the safety boxes, actually in the room here, it's work through the it's synchronized all together. This card that I have here, that's the key card, and this card it's synchronized to the safety boxes and the minibar as well. So those three things either we can open from this unique card, or else we have the voice sensor. The passenger whoever comes and checked into the hotel, they have a system to record their voice, and once they speak a word, then it will gonna be open. The door and the room door and the minibar, as well as the safety boxes. But the other way is it has unique passwords for the minibar and for the safety boxes, and for the door there's no password, only the key and the voice only. For the safety boxes, there are two options, as I said, the voice and as well as the digital code. So the digital code, when we encode the digital code, it should open. There are two mechanism, two iron bars. It should go inside and come outside when it's locked. So the problem is it's not working. So today I'm going to show you how to repair that kind of issues and solve the problem. So we'll go ahead and see what's the issue and what's right, guys. This is the safety box which I'm talking about. You can see the every and the whole body, it's made by the hard metal, and you can see that holes over there, that's for if you need to fix into the wall, or else here under the carpet we do have some holes, so you can mount it on the floor as well, I mean if there is a ground. So the problem is, and before the problem I'll introduce and just explain about this the mechanism. This is actually hard metal stainless steel, I guess. Two bars, it's really heavy, and this is the main door of the safety box. And if I'm gonna remove this screw over here, you can see there are double A size batteries. You can see it's double A size batteries. Four batteries are there. So basically this is the power supply for this mechanism, and this power socket, it has a wire. This goes to, if you're gonna plug this one, this 3-core wire to the power socket, I mean to external power socket, it's connected to this power socket. So basically this one is using especially if we need to put some laptops or tablets or something with plug into the charger, then this is the main purpose of this socket. In our hotel we are but it's really, oh shit, it has some oil in there. Anyway, so that's the purpose of this socket. So we'll go for the main issue of this safety box. Well, as a default, the code, it was set 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so nothing happens, but still you can hear the motor. It's trying to rotate the motor and try to close that one, but still it's not closing. You can say it's appeared open. Now again I will put the password 1 2 3 4. Now it should close now, but still the meter is running and nothing happened. Now it's again tell open. So that's the problem of this safety box, this metal bars. It should go inside and come outside. So we'll see how to solve that problem with removing this the panel. So basically there is one screw here and another screw over here. Make sure you didn't make sure that you don't remove this nail or the screw, because it is the screw which has a spring to open this door automatically, because once it's locked and when it's open it should come automatically like this. So if you're going to remove this one, you will be in trouble to put that spring again. So we'll go ahead and remove this screw. And the other one over here. Right. Okay, we remove the two screws and slowly just take it outside. You can see the mechanism of the safety box, and as I told you, this the power point, it goes directly to the cable, and it can be plugged to the 230 or 110 the power supply, and as well as this one, it goes directly to the circuit board, which give the powers to the mechanism. And basically what happened, once we encode the digital number, the unique password in here, it will send a command through this ribbon, and it'll gonna be here, this PCB board, and it'll gonna control this whole mechanism going outside and coming inside. So now it's not working, but I'll show you something. When I encode the password, it's trying to open that one, open the mechanism. It's trying to pull it out, but it's not. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, so only one thing we can guess here, those non-contact switches over here, because this one is working. That's the reason it's laid down over there only, because this metal part, it should goes here to give the command to the front panel that it's closed. But this one, since it's working, it'll gonna be there, but since it's not working, it's not going through, because it's not passing any message to the next the non-contact the switching. So I'll show you again for the last time. 1 2 3 4. Now you can see that's what happened. So basically this kind of the PCB board mainly and commonly those are the defective parts every time, because I had like 2-3 times this problem, and when I changed that compounds it's worked, but I don't know about this one. So we had to try that. So let me remove this board and see what happened inside. I'm sorry about using pliers because that's not the correct way, but unfortunately I'm here now at work, so unfortunately I don't have my toolkit now. Sorry about that. So before we remove this one, we have to remove another one. Just so, and remove this washer. We have removed this part slowly. Alright. So you can see the basic motor is there, and some capacitors over here, and this is the main and valuable part of this safety box, because if this the hard piece, if it's broken, the whole mechanism will be defective, it's gonna not work. So let me remove this. Then you have to remove this the ribbon and the voltage wire as well as the motor wire. Alright. Okay, I have this. I fixed the nails and everything was correctly fixed, and I have to insert this part as well, the metal bars. And put this the washer, the flat washer, and so put the lock. Now, alright, we'll see now whether it's working, because before I tried like 2-3 times and it goes really well. I don't know what will happen for this one. Let me encode the password. 1 2 3 4. Oh, here we go, it's working. Yep. So yeah, here we go. The problem, the main problem was in the non-contact switches. So easily you can change that one, and you can have it that the non-contact switches from any online stores or from any hardware for like only for like $7, $7 US. But now I'll show you again how it's work. So you can see now it's not going in. Alright. So once we close the door, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, there we go. It's can't open now. Okay. Then once we encode the password, as I told you, like the spring which is located over here, it's gonna spin the door and automatically it's gonna open. Like, yeah, that's how it's. Yeah, so this is all about the safety boxes. Safety box, which is this one. Alright guys, that's the way that how we're gonna fix this kind of problems in this type of safety boxes, which is CISA. And that's only a one problem only, I would say that, because there are so many issues that we have to figure it out, that how and where is the problem. So I just figured out this is the common problem for this unique CISA safety boxes. So in future I will make some tutorials how to repair the analog safety boxes as well. Well, I would say that it's really hard, the analog safety boxes comparing to the digital safety boxes. If this video goes really well and if you really like it, share. If you anyone who ever need this kind of videos, that how to repair the electronic gadgets, and share, subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions or anything, just let me know. My email ID is sanjukasela@gmail.com, and I will be preparing another tutorials, totally different kind of tutorials for everyone, especially the mini bar. It's really complicating technical issues what we have in the mini bars and the hot plates, as well as the washing machines. We do have big huge laundry with different kind of washing machines. I will be making another couple of tutorials in future. So catch you in the next time. Edutech.